we'll try to have a theme as well, that being Indian, are we really proud of it? And we'll attach one more thought to it, that how exactly that can be done. Nimisha will do it, don't worry. So what we are talking about is here, first of all, being Indian and being testers. These two things. As testers, Ashish, can we go to the next slide? What is it? What do we mean by innovation? New means what?
Think out of the box.
Think out of the box. Any idea that you have done, Ashish? Can you just, when I show you this particular slide here, can you just tell me what this
Yes.
looking like?
Wires are coming out of the table and then they're plugged so that they don't go down.
These are the clips.
What are these?
Paper
These are the
clips.
clips. These are paper
Paper
clips. Okay, this is a bright innovation that I came across a few days back on the website. I incidentally did not note down the URL. Pardon me for that. Normally, whenever I bring something out from the URL, I do share that. Later on, I tried to go for that URL. I could not go back. But the whole idea is what the mess up that we have with so many wires. And innovation is simple innovation. Here we're talking about basically having these paper clips around, and all those wires can be done. Okay, now I'm going to ask you as testers. Tell me, when was the last time we innovated, or what have we innovated in so many days? Any innovation in our name, any patents in our name, any product that we have created? A frank question, okay? We're not basically testing us. Have I done it? No. I'm just asking as testers, do we need to do that? Have you ever thought about basically, okay, another, can you go to the next slide? Okay, I'm just going to again read this out. It says world's first ever sari app. Okay, sari has the ladies who wear that sari. Nothing different than that. Aimed at teaching anyone how to drape a sari in a matter of minutes, and that too without assistance. Okay, that's an iPhone app. Have you heard about mobile apps, Android apps, iPhone apps? Okay, can you go to the next slide, Ashish? Okay, this is done by Siddharth Banerjee. Okay, and obviously Bhavna Sharma is one of the fashion designers. They have come up with this idea, and they are selling this particular application for how much? $2 each. Okay, and this is the first application. It has been a successful application, not that very successful. They might have around 500,000 downloads already. So 1,000 downloads multiplied by 2, $2,000, maybe 20,000 downloads. I really don't know. I'm just saying that. But when I was really intrigued. I tried to inquire further into it. Looks like there were 800 ways to drape Indian sari. Did you not know that? And they are thinking about basically having those 800 apps coming live. Isn't that innovation? A simple idea, made an application out of it, letting the world drape the sari and making money out of it. And 800 ways of draping sari. Come on, isn't that really great? Now I'm actually challenging you all. Okay, Ashish, can you go to the next slide? This is what I'm asking. As being Indian and as being testers, can we think about innovation? You know, I normally whenever I take sessions, I ask people like, okay, do you know how many Indian companies really have products of their own? We are into services. Everybody understands the difference between being a product company and being a service company? What is the key difference?
Product is like design first and then launch to the market. Whereas in service, like we have first requirement and based on that we design the product. Right? And like,
so more than that, what happens is services is you do it for somebody else.
yeah,
That is the basic difference. We don't have something of our own. Do you think we can sustain that IT market like that?
No.
Do you really know, like, why did India actually got the jobs? Why do testing community in India is getting so many jobs? Why does testing as a career have scaled up, and why are so many jobs in India today? Other than our skills, our English and all those things, cost is not a bigger factor. Believe it or not, we do get jobs because of the cost differential that we have from outside. Okay, not 100% true, because of, we can say that we have more ways, optimized ways, we have got more tools of doing things better. Obviously, our maturity levels are higher as we talk to various IT service provider companies, right? But then that cost differential, is it going to sustain like that? Do you know how much does a tester cost in Vietnam, for example? Do they have Vietnam testing board? Yes, they do. Okay. Do you know how many testers do they have? Lots of.
no.
Average cost that Vietnam company charges for a service, normally like in India, suppose a service company is bidding for a project, right? The normal charges are how much? Any idea? What is the dollar rate per hour?
$15.
$25 is very, very high.
$15.
TCS is coming down to $12 or $15. Okay, we're talking about Infosys also coming down to $18, $20. Okay, and we are competing within India between 12 to 25, 30, depending upon what the company is. Vietnam testers is being offered at $4 to $5. Okay, what is that average salary? If I take about basically 20,000 hours, 2,000 hours, sorry, per year 2,000 hours multiplied by $5, how much is that? $10,000 is the average cost per annum is all what they're talking about. That's the cost difference. So unless and until we think about products, unless and until we think about innovating in testing. Okay, how many testing products do we know? Quick Test Pro, Load Runner, come on guys. RFP, these are products. Selenium, open source. Any testing product from any Indian company that you are aware of? Don't we want to make one? So I'm telling you that, I'm asking all of us currently here present, right? So I'm asking this in Mumbai chapter. Thinking, being Indian and innovating and taking the testing community forward. Okay? And as part of, Ashish, can you go to the next slide? This is what we're talking about. Can we think on producing something? Can we think on innovating something? Can we make ourselves and our country proud? And can we make the testing community in our country, being Indian, being proud? Okay, that's what we are asking you guys. Okay, it's an emotional delivery here. I personally feel that if we don't do it, we'll be eliminated. Extinct. Okay, so we don't want, it may not happen soon. I'm talking about next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Do we want to do that? No. Do we want to travel to China for work? Maybe that would happen. Okay, all of us would become project managers, program managers, engagement managers. Do you see a lot of expatriates working in Iran from external companies? Maybe we'll be expatriates in China, Vietnam. Okay, but I feel that if we have a product of our own and then basically outsource it to Vietnam and China, wouldn't that be good rather than giving services out there? Right, so time has come. I feel that any small utility, anything that you have, anything that probably a small utility, it could be a small thing, doesn't matter. But you really don't know what is the value of it. If I can make money on teaching how to have people drape the sarees, then I think I can actually innovate in any of the areas. It could be mobile applications, it could be testing applications, it could be testing frameworks, it could be testing utilities, it could be dashboards, it could be metrics, anything that you guys feel that you are innovating, that's what we want. Okay? And this is what I think is all about ITB Mumbai. Yeah. Okay, what we are saying is that creating a platform where learning is the only thing that is important. Point number 2, meeting and networking with peers. Getting help in your project activity. So we have a section called problem solving. If you get stuck, as a community we would like to make sure that we solve the problems. Okay? Learn testing in a more use the outside. So we are talking about this like more collaborative and interesting manner. And this is where we are talking about is making a change to yourself and to the testing community. At what cost? No one will cost. Till now we have not charged anything. We are going to companies to sponsor the place. Ideally, if I go out and say that okay, we would like to rent or basically have a conference room booked for us, it would cost us 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. The snack that is being provided, again, we would like to thank Lionbridge for being our sponsors for the day. And earlier we had L&T Infotech and Tech Mahindra as our sponsors. So we are looking for more sponsors, but maybe if you don't get it, I would ask all of us to basically contribute something from our pocket. That's what is the cost. Okay. I would say that we'll keep on our journey. That's what we are all about. Okay, charter. This is our charter. I keep on normally. If you have any suggestions, we would like to add that to our charter as well. Organized learning sessions, including hands-on testing sessions. So last time we had a request that we should actually have ISTQB advanced topics. This time we have one from Vinesh. We will talk about one of the ISTQB advanced topics. And in the first meeting, somebody was talking about that we should have a session on agile testing. So we have a very good speaker with us. Incidentally, Dinesh will be joining us soon because he was in Chennai yesterday and he reached Mumbai around 2 a.m. this morning. And hopefully he would be a little late. So let's see when we can have that session. Okay. And cloud is another thing that a lot of people really had a lot of interest. We'll talk about the session as well. Okay. But what we're talking about is also creating a testing conference in Mumbai. What we have seen is in Mumbai there is no platform. in last few years, I have not seen any conferences being done, or if it is something which is a closed door event, normally testers don't have a platform. Here we are, we would like to create conferences, we would like you to participate, you to basically present papers, you to write papers, we will help you do that. Okay, so idea is what? Support any book writing, any article writing, any paper writing, or any innovation effort. Anything that you feel has to be open source, anything that you have that we can take that as an open source product, we'll all do it together. Okay, we do, in fact, Ashish and me are writing a book on Selenium. Hopefully that should get published soon. Any of you want to publish anything, please make sure that you come on board. Okay, anything, any product idea that you have, please bring it to us. So as an open source, we like to make sure that it goes out of the market. Okay. Then we say health testing community in India, abroad, and other ITB chapters. Today in India, we have got around 5 or 6 Indian testing board chapters. We have launched in NCR, which is Delhi. Then we have in Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore. So that's what we are, and we are growing fast and creating this testing community under the Indian Testing Board ISTQB brand. And obviously, we would also like to create special task force. So if you are, some of you are good in mobile testing, for example, we would make that a special task force in that area. We would also make special person in charge of something very interesting in a different topic as well. So anything that you feel you can spearhead and run that task force within the ITB Mumbai chapter, we would like you to please contribute there as well. Okay. And obviously, we were thinking of launching a library in February. It has been delayed for now because we are trying to procure books for all the chapters. Because if we try to procure the books in bulk, the discounting works out in our favor. So hopefully by next month or so, we would have some library books. Plus, we are also trying to generate membership IDs, something like this. Maybe we'll have photographs and all of that. So it would become much more seamless for us to attend the event. As soon as you have membership IDs, you can register using that membership ID. The site is not. It is getting updated. We would like to share that, all that with you as well. This is our structure. We have got mentors and steering committee members. Then we have got president, secretary. We have got 8 or 9 working committee members. I'll see how many are present today. And then all of you are basically part of the ITB member group as well. Currently, we have got 3 mentors in our steering committee. Since we began with L&T, Manoj is one of the mentors. He is head of the testing BU in L&T Infotech. Dr. Sai is heading the higher education in Tech Mahindra, and Tarun Banga, who is head delivery testing in Lionbridge. And obviously, Ashish here is secretary for our ITB Mumbai chapter. This is currently a working committee. Maybe if I missed, probably will update that out as well. We have got Soumya. Soumya, are you there? Yogesh is not able to come. Anushree, are you there? Satlaj is here. Vidhi could not come because she is having an exam today. And Dada Mute probably has a conference. Ravindra Bajaj is from L&T, and Kundan is here again. So we have got, this is our working committee, and we meet and we try to basically produce these events for. So it's not me or Ashish, it's the entire working committee that is trying to produce this event for you or bring these events to you. So I would want more contribution from all of you as well. So we will look forward to that when I am giving the closing remarks. Currently, our sponsoring organization, L&T Infotech, Tech Mahindra, and Lionbridge, plus our company, which is QACDT and Pure Testing. We are looking for more. I've been in touch with Nest. We have been in touch with Geometric. We are talking to various companies as well, so that we can have those companies also sponsor this event. Okay, go to this. This is what the agenda for the day look like. Okay, I'm just introducing you guys and ensuring that instead of basically having this session first, Nimisha, what we'll do is we'll have Shreya's presentation going for the first one because she has come from Pune. I was expecting that Shreya is working in Persistent, and she is a cloud expert. She has been in the cloud field for last 2 years, okay, and she is really expert in that area. And she said that she wants to go back home early. I was expecting that because of the travel and all, she might come little late. But now since she is here, we'll have the session little quick, and that is the first presentation. And after that, probably Nimisha yours, and then Dinesh, and followed by Soumya. And then we'll have something called as keynote. If you're attending for the first time, we want all of you to think about a topic of your interest. Come out here and speak for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. And then the last session is about problem on the table. We have got whiteboards 1, 2, and maybe here. What you can do is write your problems. Okay. Where you think that you can have this collective platform answer your query. Anything for that matter. Say for example, how do you choose a performance testing tool? Last time, do you remember the problem that we solved?
That's for mobile and.
Yeah, we had one for testing the mobile apps and anything. I'm saying that how do you do agile testing was one of the other problems. So if you have something going in your mind or for your project, it could be specific with your project as well, where you think that collectively we would like to help you out or find a solution for that. So make sure that during the entire session you can walk down, write your name and say this is what we want to like to discuss. Okay, that's what would be our last session, which is problem on the table. Okay. And this is what our motto is, let us make Mumbai the Bollywood of tests, okay? And where testers' passions and dreams come true, where we can innovate, where we can bring the change, and being Indian, being testers, and bring that about and create something for the entire test. Alright, with that probably I would like to now hand over to Dhanashree, who is going to introduce Shreya. Okay.